Okay, so I know the apocalypse started, and this is our world now. I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about what it is that we're going to be doing with class. So basically the way that it's going to work is that I'm going to be available to you to answer any questions from the hours of 9 a.m. until 11. So if you need to pop on and be like, hey, Kohanam, I don't understand how to get this stuff, where to get this stuff, I'm going to have my computer right here, and I'll have my school email open, and you can just really quickly pop me a question. I'm also going to do book talks because our next big project is going to be a choice novel. You get to choose, but I will tell you that I'm reading with you, and I'm actually rereading one of my favorites. So this is The Great Gatsby. And I'm going to film lectures like this where I put it on YouTube and just put it out to you guys, basically walking you through chapter by chapter. We'll probably read about 2 chapters a day. If that's too quick for you, don't worry. You can slow it down, speed it up, whatever you need to do. So today I'm putting out there, if you can, try and go and either get a copy from Amazon, or you can go online and get one from ABE Books. Remember, I told you that's a really good place for really cheap books. I'd prefer you not to go get it from a store, but I know that you might, because remember, the whole point of this is social isolation so that we stop the spread. I also want you to know that I don't plan on making this more homework for you. I know a lot of you guys are having to take care of little brothers and sisters, and my goal is not to overwhelm you. I am putting this out here, these video lectures that I'm putting out here, they're just for you. They're not any extra work for you. So Monday I'll be available 9 to 11, and then for the rest of the week, if you email me at any time that we would normally be in school, I will respond to you within the hour. So you'll hear back from me super fast. Again, I've got my email open, got it on my phone as well, and just don't panic, don't worry, I miss you too, but we'll get through this, we got you, all right? It's not a big deal. And I don't want you guys to feel isolated, so if you start to feel isolated, just know that we're here. All your teachers care about you. Everybody cares about you, okay? So no panicking, we got this, all right? In the meantime, go buy a book of your choice, but I really like this one. It needs to be by an American author, all right? Check Kohanam Web for more details. Next week's lesson plan is already up. You're more than welcome to go check it out. But I'll see you next week. Bye.